car down here.
What?
We could shape it. And why'd you make us walk all the way down here? Dude, that's barely holding me. That ain't gonna hold you.
Oh, wait.
I don't like that. Dude, why are we both on this? Explorer's dirty abandoned subway tunnel. Oy vey.
I'm surprised.
It's filthy and doity.
I gotta put my coin. Protect it.
In the big pouch?
In the biggest pouch. I think so.
Today on the January 1st episode of Jack TV, not to be confused with Jack and TV. Don't get those mixed up, kids. Horse cock. Are they attached or no? That's my light.
Good.
What is it? Oh, right.
Calisthenics. That was cool.
Is it? I wish I got that on camera. The crunky. The cringe-a.
Crap, man.
Crap man. Nobody cared who I was until I put on the condom. Ow. How'd you do this ninja monkey shit, Jack? I need to learn your moves. A fucking dust man. Dude, I feel it in my... I should have brought goggles. What's wrong with this? It's kind of fucked, but...
Just a ladder.
I'm fucking retarded. I just spat in my mask. Here, if you want to hold the ladder, Jack, I'll just bring it up to you. Just stand on the back side of it and just hold it straight up and down. Oop. My tube. Thanks.
Your tube.
Trying to see if I can climb this. These are off, right? Okay. Oh my freaking dust, dude. I should have brought goggles. This one's the best fit here. Oh. I don't know if that was worth it, to be honest with you. Here, Jack. I mean, when... So this is the bar up here? You said this is a bar?
Yep, the basement of the bar.
All I heard was some water running. I didn't hear any footsteps, anything like that. I had 2 broken legs. Oh, brutally.
By the way, this is the stack of bridge, which is grading on the other side.
Folding phone made by somebody who's not Samsung, because Samsung. That would be.
Beautiful picture of what?
Us and with the city in the background. I mean, what do you know? Typical ticks.
We got a good shot of this bridge somehow.
snow. Huh? Yeah, the snow's on this side, so. Just want to get some photos on here. I think some of these photos are going to be really neat.
What's up?
I think some of these photos are going to be really neat. I thought we were going to I left it in my car. I bet we could have got some. Maybe later. What am I looking with? Guys, I don't think it's gonna go.
See inside there how there's that like cam?
Mm-hmm.
And it hits all those electrical contacts
Mm-hmm.
to time something, but I'm wondering what in an electric train. I mean, would that be like,
The choo-choo.
you think that's what that is? That's the, it would be super cool if that were the central
I don't know.
computer for the whole thing.
Those satisfying switches.
Back when they made switches for real men. Might be one here.
I'll make a rad super cut pretty soon.
Do you know what that reminded me of?
What?
In like the later seasons of Trailer Park Boys, one of the bits they did was Ricky would always fall and like break stuff.
Big deal to me, too. Fucking oyster cocks!
Yeah, it's kind of disappointing. I wonder how far that goes.
It's over here, and it's more goop, so we might be able to get.
I kind of looked over there. There's really not. It's flooded, and it seems to be deep enough. Oh, a ladder. It's actually a nice ladder.
On the base. Is there anything over the right?
I can't tell.
That crap? You see?
You know, if it weren't so cold, I would say I hope you fall in and get wet, but it's too cold.
Oh, and this stuff you get pre-on disease of your pedic.
You get prions on your groin. Oh, dude. Jackson is a samurai warrior. Ding 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 ding.
Keep your camera pointed at this.
Jack, I think he's so cool coming down, but he not remember he have to come back. Oh, look, the pipe's getting wide. You're going to do a sprint. Sprint like stupid gymnast. Oh. Oh, can he do it? $5 says he can't do it.
Here on a couple of the wall, how you know you can't see?
You're the pipe master, Jack. You do it. Oh, he do the transfer. He got to get a frostbite on his dick. On his penis.
This is gonna be fun. Footage.
Can you do it, Jack?
I
Oh, he do it. Could get the $5 off. Is there anything over there, Jack? What? Anything over there? He's so stupid. He crawled all the way over there for nothing. He has to come all the way back. You think he hooked your testicles? This is very entertaining. You'll do it again?
He do it 2 times.
He do it 2 at a time.
Oh, he's going to fall. He's going to fall and crack his crock.
Oh, I hope not. We just to buy him new one.
Then I cry.
To bring this ladder back some more.
What we doing with that ladder? We underground.
We get the down from bridge.
Oh, that would not have to say a stupid idea.
You also have to carry it like forever.
Like egg drop soup.
What did I just find? Oh, this is so nasty.
Still not legal.
How do you get far enough to see the spot?
Oh, it's a nothing.
Well,
Let's get some pictures.
let's see what we can see this side.
I'll show you. Like,
Subway. We should be real quiet here.
is this a good view?
Did I really bring a laser pointer to point it? I did like 5. I had 2.
Don't a shrimp and hook a bar.
It's right. Yeah.
You need your Leatherman? Which pocket? They can play it at my funeral. Dude, they should normalize kill cams. Bunny. You'll pay delivery now. Here? Or there, okay. Tell me when I'm good. Damn thing. right, I'm gonna go back to like maybe like 4 columns. Take a look there. See what I can get. Dark from the beam from one of the grates, and it like short circuits my brain. Makes me think there's a hole there. Get it pretty quick.
This bridge is so very Christmas. Probably get on the top of that bridge if you really want to.
What's up there?
The ladder down.
Yeah.
What's down there?
Oh.
He's crawling in the sewer, dude. He's gone. No more Jack. What? There's no crack right down there. I'm putting my. You're still recording, right?
I'm pretty low on battery, but yeah.
You have any more?
This is my last one. I'm 24%, so. Holy crap. Watch out for nails in these boards. That would suck. Dude, did we just find the Jew tunnels? It's pretty cool. Here, I'll get a light on them. Cut your light out, Jack. Yay! He's gone.